Today I will show you PHP operators. Now I will discuss about PHP operators. PHP operators generally are used to perform operations on variable and values. I hope you already know what is variable and how to declare variable. If you don't know, please check my previous tutorial. PHP divided the operators in the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, logical operators, string operators, and array operators. Array is the advanced level. Okay, gradually I will show you all the operators with example. Okay, today I will show you PHP arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. So let's go to live. First, start your control panel, jump control panel, start Apache and MySQLi. Okay, then go to a folder directory that we have created in our first tutorial, htdocs. This is our first folder that we have created in our first folder. Copy the folder name, index.php, edit with notepad++. Okay, this is our previous tutorial that we have created, that how to declare variable and how to comment out maybe. Anyway, open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. This is our previous tutorial. Okay, just delete it. Here I will show you. This is our body and this is a simple template. Okay, you can see that. Just remove it. You can see that HTML, title, and internal CSS, some CSS, then body, then our head and our footer. This is our body section. I hope you can create it. It's very simple. Okay, here I will show you. First, write PHP block, PHP arithmetical operators. Okay, first I will show you addition. Okay, like addition, how to addition value into PHP. Okay, like, so declare a variable x, assign value, suppose x equal 10. Then again declare a variable, suppose y, value 15. Okay, arithmetical operator or PHP operators, always you know that performs on variables and values. Values will be especially arithmetic operators, values especially will be numerical. Okay, this is summation, addition, multiplication, like something like that. How to do it? Just like echo variable x plus variable y. Okay, if you write it, just I will show example, show it. You can see, just refresh your browser, you can see 25, 10 plus 15, 25. Also you can write here variable x, suppose variable z equal to variable x plus variable y. Okay, now just here echo the variable z. Okay, now refresh your browser, you can see the same results. Okay, you can also here, also you can do it something like that. I have showed you in my previous tutorial that dot. Okay, assignment concatenation. In our previous tutorial, that concatenation tutorial, I have showed how to use the concatenation. Okay, here I have showed instruction to my program that addition with x variable with with y. Okay, the y value 15 will addition with x. This is the assignment concatenation operators. Okay, now just print dollar variable x. Refresh your browser. You can see 10 plus 15, 10 then 15. This is not addition. Okay, this is the assignment. Okay, 10 first 10 x value x 10. Okay, value x 10, then assign the value in the right side of variable y, something like that. You can see in our 10 15. Okay, 10 15. So this is not the legal way of arithmetical operators. So you must use it, declare extra variable when you need to addition the value of variable. Okay, something like that. Y variable x plus variable y. No, sorry, here need to echo the, I have instruct the program to addition the value of the variable x plus variable y and then store the value into variable z. Okay, variable x value 10, variable x y value 15 will be addition, then assign into variable z. Now print the variable z. Okay, save and refresh your browser. You can see 25. Okay, 10 plus 15 equal 25. I hope you understand. Now I will show you subtraction. It's same, just here use minus. Okay, you can see minus 15 negative value because our variable y is greater than variable x. Okay, but if you here just variable y first then variable x, right, just refresh your browser. You can see the positive value. Okay, I hope you understand. Also you can write it, remove and just right here variable y minus or subtraction sign variable x, remove on, yeah, refresh your browser. You can see the same results. Also you can find out the deviation value, all are same. Arithmetical operator is too much easy. You can see 1.5, it's divided the value variable x to the variable y. You can write also here variable x variable y. Okay, you can see 0 point something, it's divided the value 10 to 15. Okay, also you can write same way into another variable, something like that. Declare variable z equal to variable y divided to the variable x value, and the result will be stored into variable z. Now echo, you can see the same results. Okay, I hope you understand. Now I will show how to modulus. Just use modulus sign and then store will be here. I hope you know what is modulus, subtraction, addition. Okay, it's the basic simple. Okay, you can see 10. I hope you understand that what is PHP arithmetic operators. Okay, in the next tutorial I will show you assignment operators, then comparison operators, okay, gradually. So thank you.